Ever felt lost in your data, struggling to find that one specific list or campaign? Batchleads' friendly name field is your secret weapon for ultimate organization. Let's dive into Batchleads and understand exactly what this friendly name field is all about and why it's a game changer for your workflow. When you're creating a new list, campaign, or even adding new contacts, you'll encounter the friendly name field. Think of it as a nickname for your data that makes sense to you, not just the system. Instead of relying on cryptic IDs or generic labels that quickly become meaningless, the friendly name allows you to be descriptive. For instance, you might name a list, Q3 Prospect List New York, or a campaign, Spring Outreach Silver Investors. This clarity is crucial when you're managing multiple initiatives. A well-chosen friendly name instantly tells you what's inside without needing to click into every single entry. It saves you precious time and mental energy. Batchleads uses these friendly names across your lists, campaigns, and contact imports. This consistent naming convention creates a visual roadmap for your entire operation. In essence, the friendly name field in Batchleads isn't just a label. It's a powerful tool for streamlining your efforts, boosting your productivity, and ensuring you always know exactly where your valuable leads and campaigns reside. Master this simple feature, and you'll master your Batchleads organization.